Our bruiser snoring.
He snores just like his pawpaw. Don't you?
It's kind of funny. As soon as I turn the camera on, it gets light. It has been really, really hard and heavy. Okay, that's enough.